How to do an oil change video is here in this 2000 Honda Civic Si EM1. We have Pennzoil high mileage 5W30. I also have the Honda OEM oil filter with the new washer. Always remember to get a new washer each time you do an oil change. New filter and some good old oil. We're also going to need a jack and two jack stands. We got a hydraulic jack in this case. You can use the one that comes with the car. It's usually a regular scissor jack. Hydraulic jack is a lot quicker and just a lot better. Especially this one that's for low profile vehicles. This one's a little bit lower than stock. So yeah, let's get to it, guys. You're gonna want to put this jack right under the front end here. There's a notch where you have to set this under. Right under the front bumper here. There it is. Let me demonstrate how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. Find that. You line them up. There it is. Lined up. And up she goes. We're gonna take one of these bad boys and set this jack stand under the right side of the car. Goes right in that little groove right there. Perfect. We're gonna want to do the same thing the other side. Just grab a 17 socket. We're gonna pop open this drain bolt, oil pan drain bolt. We're gonna walk over here and grab our oil pan. Slide this bad boy right under the car. Gonna grab this 17mm ratchet. There's the oil pan drain bolt. We're simply gonna untighten it. Once you get this bolt loose over here, make sure you have your drain pan right under it so you don't make a big puddle of oil. And we simply just twist this bad boy right off until it pours out like that. Wow, that's some black oil. He's almost done. Last drips. Make sure you guys drain all of your dirty, nasty, bad oil out of there. Next step is to remove the oil filter. I got this oil filter wrench tool. Prevents you from getting a headache and struggling with the oil filter. All you need is a wrench. Pop this bad boy in there. Boom. Ready to go. Now we're gonna get our nifty little oil filter removal tool and come right behind the oil pan. There's this bolt. And it's gonna be all the way up in there. And just like that, out comes the OEM oil filter from the last oil change. Now before installing this new OEM oil filter, what I'm gonna do is open up this new oil that I'm about to use, dip my finger in there, and kind of just coast it right around the seal right here to make sure when I install it back on, it gets a proper tight closed seal here. Alright guys, let's put this new OEM Honda oil filter back in there, or in there I guess I should say. Back behind the oil pan and up she goes. Now before you pour that new oil in there, don't forget to put in the oil pan bolt and a new pressure washer. After you guys get that oil pan bolt all nice and snug, monkey tight, not gorilla tight, go ahead and remove these jack stands from both sides and lower the car. Make sure there's nothing under the car. There it is. I already removed the top oil cap up here. We're gonna come over here, grab one of these reusable oil filters that I get for free at QT, which is a gas station. I don't know if you guys have that in your state or country. And we're ready to fill her up, boys. Pennzoil high mileage 5W30. Before you start filling in the new oil into your engine, double check your owner's manual how much oil you need, because you do not want to overfill it. That will cause engine damage. My engine specifically takes 4.2 quarts. This is 5-quart jug here. After you get the right amount of oil in there, double check this dipstick right here, boys. It's gonna be between these two holes. You want it as high up close to the second hole To check properly, wipe it clean. Dip this puppy back in there. Pull it right out. And we're good, boys. Let's go. I suggest you guys check out this video right here. And I will see you guys over there. Much love.